Nurses in NICU is kind of special. I must say they work there 24 hours a day. Long shifts, but the passion is there. They care for you more than they care for the baby. Like they really look after the parents. The nice thing is we first time parents, so we don't have any lot of knowledge, and the nurses are a bit older and they love to help us. So they give us all these tips and tricks and show us how to handle the babies, what to look for, help us change our first nappies. We've been in NICU for a few weeks, and I must say the nice thing is we don't get that newborn phase at home. We have a lot of extra help because the nurses are there, but it's also nice to have all the pressure taken off of caring for a newborn, caring for two newborns, but still getting support from the nurses, introducing you how to handle everything with a twin baby. So it's quite nice going through NICU with positive nurses, helping nurses, and they're teaching us as people that don't know anything about raising a baby or two babies. They're teaching us very nicely, calmly, gentle, how to care for our babies.